Hello and welcome to our review of the HONKID Undetectable Mouse Jiggler, a clever, well-engineered device designed to keep your computer active without raising any red flags in even the most restrictive IT environments. In today's review, we'll explore its key features, real-life performance, advantages and drawbacks, and compare it with similar products on the market, all while offering useful tips to get the most out of this innovative gadget. The HONKID Mouse Jiggler offers a unique solution when it comes to preventing your computer from going into sleep or lock mode, especially during long sessions of remote work, file transfers, or mundane tasks that require continuous computer activation. FCC certified and operating at an ultra-quiet 30 decibels, this device combines a mechanical micromotor with precision engineering to ensure incredibly silent operation. With a record of safety certification HK240517548-1ER and testing across over 300,000 units, you can trust its performance across PC, Mac, and desktop workstations. One of the standout features is its 100% undetectable design. The Mouse Jiggler requires zero computer drivers or direct USB connection. Instead, it operates by connecting to any USB adapter, keeping its physical movement simulation away from any detectable software or hardware. This makes it an IT-approved workaround for corporate and secure environments. Additionally, the one-touch activation via a physical switch means you're never tangled up in cumbersome setups or software installations. This plug-and-play approach is compatible with Windows 10, 11, Mac OS, Linux, and supports all types of optical or wireless mice. In real-life applications, this device excels during extended periods of inactivity by preventing system sleep, which is crucial for remote workers and developers alike. However, while it's perfect for maintaining continuous computer activity, users should note that it merely simulates movement rather than providing any real interaction. Compared to similar products on the market, the HONKID Jiggler's undetectable hardware design and its lack of the need for software installation puts it a step ahead, though it may not be required for systems that don't enforce strict IT policies. For optimal performance, ensure you're using a compatible USB adapter, 5 volts 2 amps recommended, for best power stability. It's also a great idea to position it properly near your computer's mouse to fully take advantage of its movement simulation. In summary, the HONKID Undetectable Mouse Jiggler is an excellent tool for anyone seeking uninterrupted computer activity in environments with strict IT controls. It is perfect for developers, remote teams, and IT-restricted users, as well as an unexpected but thoughtful gift for anyone battling incessant screen lockouts. Thank you for tuning in, and happy computing.